Where did they go? Where's Kaylin and Tristan? There they are! Where'd they go? There's Tristan and Kaylin! We gotta try and hide your nakedness, baby. There's Tristan! Where are they? There's Tristan! There's Kaylin! Oh my goodness! And there she went! Look. We're recording Bubba. Where'd he go? Where's Tristan? Oh no. Oh, we see some booty. There's Tristan! Ah!
Let me see Bubba.
Whoa, we'll stay over here. We can see him. Where is he? I see toesies. He's sitting down. He's sitting down. You Tristan! I thought you were standing. Oh my goodness! Oh, you're so silly. Oh, here comes Kaylin. Ah! Oh, where's she going? Where's he? Oh, where'd he go? He disappeared again. Where's Tristan? I hear giggling. Where is he? Ooh. Ah, there he is! Ah. Did I get closer? I did. Ooh. You're so silly. Where is Tristan? Where is Tristan? Where is he? Where did he go? Where did he go? Ah, there's Kaylin! Just snuck up on us! Oh my goodness! Where'd he go? Oh, where is he? Oh. Where's Tristan? Ow! It's my booty. Where's Tristan? Ah! There he is! Ow! You got 10 more seconds, son. Ah! It's a good one. Oh, yes.